Welcome to another video of detailed math solutions. In this video, I'm going to write step by step how to find the equivalent polynomial of each binomial square displayed on the screen. To solve these exercises, I'm going to use the formula for binomial square a minus b in parentheses squared equals to a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. In the first binomial 2x minus 1 in parentheses square, 2x corresponds to the a in the formula, and 1 corresponds to the b in the formula. Therefore, when I apply the formula, this equals to 2x in parentheses squared minus 2 times 2x times 1 plus 1 squared. And when I calculate the exponent, this equals to 4x squared minus 4x plus 1. 1 minus 3y in parentheses squared. In this binomial square, 1 corresponds to the a in the formula, 3y corresponds to the b in the formula. Therefore, when I apply the formula, this equals to 1 squared minus 2 times 1, 3y plus 3y in parentheses squared. And when I simplify further, I get 1 minus 6y plus 9y squared. Next exercise, 4a minus 5 in parentheses squared. When I apply the formula, this equals to 4a squared minus 2 times 4a multiplied by 5 plus 5 squared. And when I calculate the exponent, I get 4 squared a squared, or 16a squared, minus 40a plus 25. Next exercise, 6 minus 7b in parentheses squared. This equals to c squared minus 2 times 6 times 7b plus 7b squared. Or when I calculate the exponent again, I get 36 minus 2 times 42, or 84b plus 49b squared. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, please subscribe to my channel and click the like button. I'm thrilled that you joined me and look forward to sharing my other videos. Please click on any video displayed on the screen to see more detailed math solutions.